how to add bots to your Discord server on mobile. Now whether you're on mobile or laptop is not a question, because this process needs to be done from your browser. So if you want to add third-party bots or some official bots, there is a very good website out there, and that website is actually top.gg. so it's a really popular site. Go to top.gg over here and you will see this type of interface. You can see it will explore millions of Discord bots. So search for what kind of bot you want, whether you're an AI bot or image generator bot or anything like that. Select that certain bot. By the way, you must also log into your Discord account here and just invite that bot to your Discord server by simply going ahead and then logging into your account, and then select your Discord account or the Discord server that you own and then invite them, and they will be added in your Discord server. So it's as simple as that. Tap on invite, accept the invitation and let it to give it access to your server, and they will be able to join it. This way you'll be able to add bots to your Discord server on mobile. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in the next video.